Again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel. So Knife Parrots, about today I'm making video because many of people asking to me like we I can't receiving to my reward. So today I'm be sending my message on be this game, and I will be asking you because before I'm playing this game and this game give me also to be queens. And but I this because many a problem he asking me I have a problem to be on this game like be much something like be and he like be continue to be working about this game, and he asking to me coming soon you will be receiving your all of queens because when I'm playing this game, so before I like the next day I will be receiving my queens because many of people asking to me on this my comment section when you will be receiving your queens. So I asking you next day I will be receiving to my queens like be where I am living now, so like be 12 afternoon time. When you will be afternoon time start and morning time finish, like the afternoon 12 a.m. then I receiving my reward. But I hope you will be completely watching my video and I will be tell you something more this game about, and you will be easily to playing this game and not to be have happening any problem. Just to be I try to be telling to you because, and just to be I tell you something setting you will be using now, like be many people not to be understand, but I will be explain to you. When you will be starting this game and you will be using your Gmail on Play Store, then you will be login now because many of people sometimes not to be understand, but I will show you something be here. Queen Cash, they're working on this game and you don't to be worried now because they gave you also to be random of these coins like be 5,000 like be $5 and 10,000 to be $10. So this game gave you also to be coins, you don't to be like be worried now. Before you will be using on this game like be setting now because some of people not to be understand now, on go to be setting and to be choosing your afterware, and you if you not to be receiving your reward clear the session, okay, then to be go back and to be starting this game. Everything so much easily now, and I asking you before next day you will be receiving your rewards, you don't to be worried. I know. Make me hardly this is not a problem, but I tell to you already because today like we I want to be telling to you because many of people asking me when you will be receiving your reward, so I asking you like the next day I receiving to my reward some of setting I will be tell to you, and I hope you will be understand now. To be try now, every know people how to be playing this game. Oh my god. So this start this game now, and please I hope you will be understand now, and I will be tell to you how to be receiving your rewards, your coins. So thank you for you watching my video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay guys. Okay, thank you so much.